Thinking of getting your house ready to sell? Homes are in high demand this spring. Is your home ready to sell? Here are some tips to make sure you're set for the spring market. Set aside time to donate, toss, or store things you don't use regularly. Here in South Florida, start with storage spaces like garages, closets, etc. Next, walk through your home with the lens of a buyer. See what needs to be fixed, cleaned, or decluttered. Let's connect to make sure your home is ready for a spring sale.